Imagine a world where individuals possess the power to sway events, shape outcomes, and navigate life's complexities with finesse. These adept manipulators seem to hold the keys to success, but their methods remain veiled in mystery. Influence, the art of affecting others' thoughts, decisions, and actions, is both an ancient craft and a modern science. From charismatic leaders to cunning strategists, influential figures leave their mark on history. They deftly wield persuasion, charisma, and social dynamics to achieve their goals. But what about manipulation? The term often carries negative connotations, invoking images of deceit and exploitation. Yet, manipulation isn't inherently evil. It's a double-edged sword. When used ethically, it can create positive change. When abused, it leads down treacherous paths. So how do these masters of influence operate? Let's explore some key strategies. Number 1. Fear-mongering. Fear-mongering is a powerful tool used to manipulate and control others. It preys on our natural fear of illness, aging, and impending disasters. Imagine those news headlines that scream about crises, making you feel like the world is about to crumble. Or persuasive ads for health supplements with ominous music and bleak images, warning of dire consequences if you don't buy their product immediately. In reality, the supplement may not be as miraculous as claimed. Fear-mongering pushes us to take action out of panic rather than informed choice. It's potent, but can be manipulative when used unethically. Some people use it to keep competitors or employees in line, painting a grim picture of what could happen if you don't follow their lead. Be aware of this dark tactic to protect yourself from falling victim or using it unethically. Number 2. Love bombing. Love bombing is an emotional roller coaster that can leave you feeling dizzy and disoriented. Imagine meeting someone in a personal or business context, and from the start, they shower you with compliments, affection, and attention. They make you feel like the center of their universe, texting constantly, sending gifts, and acting like your soulmate or perfect partner. But here's the twist. It's all an act. Love bombers use this overwhelming display of affection to gain your trust and control. Once they have you hooked, they might start pulling away or making demands. It's manipulative and draining. For example, at a new job, your boss showers you with praise, invites you to lunch, and sends encouraging emails. Initially, you feel valued, but over time they become more demanding, taking credit for your ideas. This is classic love bombing in the workplace, excessive praise to win loyalty, followed by control. Recognize the signs of love bombing to protect yourself from emotional manipulation. Maintain a clear head and discern real love or partnership from illusion. Number 3. Triangulation. Someone is playing with your mind like a puppet, and you don't know what's going on. For example, you have two good friends, Lisa and Mike, who are acting weird lately. Lisa tells you that Mike is talking bad about you when you're not there. Like, Mike says you're not a good friend because you're always busy, or Mike says you're boring. This is a common way of triangulation in a friendship. Lisa is trying to make you and Mike fight by saying these bad things. Then, you might start to doubt your friendship with Mike and maybe avoid him. This is what triangulation does. It makes two or more people fight or compete with each other while the person who started it watches and enjoys it. It's a way to control you and make you feel insecure and needy. And the person who does it feels powerful. So, when you face triangulation, remember to calm down and think carefully. Don't let others make you hate someone else. Healthy relationships are based on trust and honesty, not lies and conflicts. Number 4. The foot in the door. This is a dark psychology technique that makes you do something big by starting with something small. It's like when a neighbor asks you to take care of their plants when they are gone, and then they keep asking you for more favors. This is how it works. Someone asks you to do something small and easy, like trying something for free or answering a few questions. When you say yes to that, they ask you to do something bigger and related, like paying for something or doing more work. Why does this work? When you say yes to the small thing, you feel like you have to be consistent and keep saying yes to the bigger things. You don't want to change your mind or look bad. The foot in the door technique can be used in many situations, like selling things or convincing people to do what you want. You need to be careful and think before you agree to anything, so you don't get trapped in doing more than you want. Number 5. The scarcity principle. This is the last dark psychology trick. It makes you feel like you have to act fast or you will lose something. For example, when a store says only today or last items, you want to buy more. This trick works like this. You like something and someone tells you it is very rare or special. You get scared of missing out and you do things without thinking. This trick uses our desire for things that are hard to get. We want them more before they are gone, even if we didn't want them before. This trick is used to sell things, and even in relationships. You should know this trick so you can make smart decisions and not act out of fear. We have learned a lot about dark psychology and how the mind works. Use this knowledge in a good and honest way. We learned about tricks like fear, love, conflict, favors, and urgency. With this knowledge, you can be careful in a world where these tricks are used.